Hello guys, welcome back. So now in this video we are going to learn how we can design this splash screen with lottie animation. It's called lottie animation. We are going to use lottie dependency, and as you can see this icon for e-commerce project, for like e-commerce application, for mall, for supermarket, for any general stores. So we are going to learn in this video. So let's see how we can design this splash screen with this animation, as you can see on the mobile screen right now. So first of all, let's close it, and when you will open your Windows Studio you will see this, and click on this Flutter, new Flutter project. Now click on next. Now here let's give name lottie screen. You can give your own name, whatever you want, and here let's say learning animation in Flutter. Now click on finish. So it's creating a Flutter project for us. We have to wait for a while. Now as you can see it has been created. Let's let him finish from here. Let's, you can see. Now you will see this readme, close it, and let's open this lottie screen folder, and let's minimize like this. Now click on this lib and main.dart. You will see all this code, for example. So we don't need this actually. So come here and you will see this stateful visit class. So minimize it, then again this state class, and select both these class and delete. Now select all these comments and press delete, and also this one. Now we have only this, and let's remove this also, and write here lottie screen, and it's showing error because we don't have this file, so we will create this file. So now let's create it, and right click on lib, new dot file, and let's give name lottie screen. Press enter. Now here import first material.dart. Now let's create a stateful class. Now here we have to give the same name, this one. You can copy this from here and just simply paste it here. Now we have the same name, and click on this now on main.dart, click on it, and you will see red bug import library, and as you can see error has gone, and you see this underline. So click on it, add a const, and here above we have imported this like this. Now come back to the lottie screen. Now we need to add dependency for lottie. So come to the Google. Let's go to the Google and write here pubdev, this one. Click on first, then pubdev, write here lottie, this one. Press enter. Now first one. Now installing. Copy the dependency, come back to the Android Studio, open your pubspecs.yml file, this one. Now here come, you will see this Cupertino icons. Below this just simply paste it here and click on pubget. Now right click on this, there's right click on this lottie screen, this one lottie screen, right click, new directory, and give name assets and press enter. Now we have these assets here inside this folder, so right click on this assets, new directory, and let's give name animations. Press enter. Now inside this folder we have asset, inside this assets folder we have this animations folder. Now we need to add lottie JSON file. So come back to the Google and write here lottie Flutter, and you will see this Flutter animation lottiefile.com. This one, Flutter animation http lottie animation. You can see lottiefile.com. Click on it. Now let's find, come here, discover free animation, and let's add another one, next one. Let's see, come to the 4 directly because I know where is it. That's 5, this one. So click on it and download it. Lottie JSON. Open this folder, right click, you will see this is here in our folder. Where is it? This one. So right click, where is it? Come back, open JSON file, show in folder, this one. Right click, copy, come back to the Android Studio, and here right click on animation and paste it. Remove this one from here and okay, close this. Now inside this animation we have this, so we have to activate these assets in our pub specs. So here come, you will see this assets here. We have to uncomment this, so remove this and make sure it should be in the same line, and remove this, and it should be dash under second dash, this one. Right click, copy, paste it here. Inside assets we have animation, inside animation we have this. Click on public. So it's added. Close this. Now here let's give color. Color dot white, and here child center. Inside its center lottie. This one lottie dot assets, and assets is under our assets folder. There is a animations folder. There is the same file. This copy paste is here. And now that's all. Let's run this application from here. It will take little time in the first, because first time we are running this. Make sure this gap from here like this, and again rerun. Don't remove this gap, give it like this little space. Don't remove, sorry. This is error because we have to come back to the pub specs and don't give this space here like this. Click on pub get, close this, and same like this here, rerun. And you will see this, install it. And as you can see now, we have this lottie animation here and it's working fine. So thank you guys for watching this video. We hope you learned this. See you in the next video. Bye bye.